by Aaron, the moon is still high. 27 years under the mountain sky. The alarm rings out at 4 a.m. sharp. He wakes with a prayer and a beat in his heart. Heading to Navakawelea for the Bulu-Macau. Mist on the grass and sweat on his brow. He carries the strength of Rupeni, his father's name, and the love of labor, his mother, a steady flame. With 4 sisters watching and 1 brother by his side, the family bond is Aaron's greatest pride. Still single, he's waiting for a love that is true. But for now, his heart belongs to the work he must do. Oh, Aaron, son of the land, 27 years with the soil in his hand, where the waning Mala River flows steady and deep, beside Navakawelea, the secrets it keeps, living that highland life steady and strong. The sun's coming up, time for Catalao. The work at Navakawelea has started now. The farm is calling, the day is still long. He's young and he's lean, and his spirit is strong. At midday he stops for a vakatawase, watching the river flow through the heat of the Siga. Then back to the fence and the cattle he leads, a young man providing for all of his needs. The gold in the sky turns to purple and blue. The day's work is finished, he's finally through. He runs to the green where the brothers all wait, to get to some rugby before it gets late. A 27-year-old with the speed in his feet, stepping and weaving to the island beat. Now the village is quiet, the shadows alone. Time for some Talanoa and an island song. The Tanoa is full and the spirit is right, watching the dust from the heat of the light. Pass the below, let the stories flow. 27 years, watch the young man